What's up, my YouTube friends? So we're down at the bottom today, getting ready to do a video of, oh look, Mike Pence's fly found me. Anyway, getting ready to do a video of the sawmill making sawdust. I haven't done one of those yet, and happen to be here on the same day my son is, so I'm gonna do some video for you. Y'all can see it making. He's got a few of his bridge timbers laid out here. This is what they're gonna look like. Gives it a nice wide surface to drive on. Tires will be right in this area, and he's going to have running boards, 3-inch thick running boards here and over there. He's got to lay these out every 6 inches all the way through there. Should make for a pretty decent bridge. Beautiful creek. So he's getting ready to edge some boards, and it isn't super fast doing it this way, but we don't have an actual edger. So you stand them up on edge, you run the mill across it, then you flip them over and you run them back the other way. Making tomato steaks. You didn't know that, you think that was a waste of time on that first pass. But look at that big stack of beautiful tomato and bean steaks for the garden. When those chains are moving like that, it's raising or lowering. Setting the dogs is what we call that. Locks the log or the lumber in place. Have a stack of lumber, just like that. guys remember the winch modification Sean was doing, that's it. That's an ATV winch because the motor for the lifting the head burns up. It's a bit slow. It does the job nicely.